Hi guys, in front of me is Oukitel WP50 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. Start with opening the settings, then from main settings list, select display right here and now go to wallpaper. Select the source from which you want to choose your wallpaper from. It can be one from Live Wallpapers, some of your photos, Wallpaper and Style or Wallpapers album. And let me choose Wallpapers. Now just pick the one that you like to cover your screen with. And if you like this one, just mark Set Wallpaper. Finally decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen or both of them. And that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.